Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to tap on the button with the square icon, I believe, or 3 bars icon, but I think it is a square icon, and then you will be transferred to the recents. And if you've got the gestures just like me, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. So it should not be a quick and short motion, just like getting back to the home page. Just swipe it and release the finger, and as you can see here, we've got the recents. Of course, you can close for example only one of those apps. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. And if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on this trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got this information. We can also enter the recents, but here we've got no recent apps, which simply means that we just successfully close all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.